Good morning and welcome back to Before the Noise with DJ. And today's question of the day, Peter records that in order for God to exalt us, we must do what? Comment below. Today, guys, we're going to jump into Psalms chapter 40, verses 1 through 5. The quick overall summary is God's timing is always worth waiting for. If we look to Him for help, He will rescue us from destruction and despair, and from the things that hold us down. He will help us move forward with confidence and joy. If we are to experience God's best for our lives, which far exceeds what we can all imagine, we need to rely on Him alone and avoid any entanglements with those who will lead us away from God and His plan for us. Now, one verse that really sticks out to me is verse 1. I waited patiently for the Lord. He turned to me and heard my cry. Right there, it's the relationship with God. Telling Him everything, praying, talking to Him when you're at your weakest. Relying on Him, not yourself or any other, to help. We sometimes think that we might have the answers, or we think we know what's going to happen. And then we create our own destructive path after a certain situation or a feeling that we might have. We have to remember that the Lord, His path, is so simple for us, but we make it complicated. Keep the relationship strong throughout the whole day, and you'll feel at peace. Verse 4, blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, who does not look to the proud, to those who turn aside to false gods. When I hear that, think about the God that you create in your head. God that you expect to do things for you. The God who you don't want to teach you lessons. And that God is not our God. God allows things to happen for you to grow and mature and to prepare you for something bigger. So take time today and thank God for always being there through the hard times, even when you choose not Him, but yourself. But to finish this up today, guys, it is in 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 6, humble ourselves. That's what sometimes we need, for Him to humble us. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow.